Hi, this is Tom, and today we'll take a look at American Standard's basic rough-in valve. American Standard is a lot like the other companies where you buy the rough-in, that's this part. Then you buy the trim, that's the pretty stuff. Goes on the outside, the handle, the big escutcheon and everything. So I've already taken this all apart just to save time. So here's the main cartridge. This is how it shuts the water on and off. A few screws there. And you can see that American Standard is one of the few companies that uses ceramic discs. That's a good thing. These are the ceramic discs. They roll over top of one another back and forth, and that's how it shuts off its water. It's usually pretty reliable. On the top of the cartridge, this is where the handle fits. This red thing is a way for the plumber to set the high limit on the temperature, although plumbers never do this. So you would have to ask him to set this so that the handle can only go so far. This is kind of run-of-the-mill operation. Handle goes on, you rotate through cold over to hot until you fool with it until you get the right temperature, and then shut it off and then back again to hot. They also make this cartridge in a slightly different model, and that's this model over here. Also has ceramic discs, but I really dislike this type of valve because the handle goes up, down, left, right, and it's always hard for people to find the correct temperature. Again, this a red ring here is a way for the plumber to set the high limit stop. And once again, no plumber ever does it unless you ask him. But you could do it yourself. You have to take off the handle, take off the big escutcheon to find this ring, and then you can turn it and set it. And that's about it for American Standard's first cartridge. That's the way they turn on and off the water. One of the things that I have never liked about American Standard is that their customer service is really not as good as some of the other companies. It's very hard to find anybody to talk to. You have to know the model number of your thing, and they will send out parts for free. It's under warranty for the life of the faucet if you know the model number, etc., etc. So let's get back to taking this apart. That's the first cartridge. There's a little metal ring. Now let's see if we can get this apart. This is the second cartridge. Like a lot of companies, they use a second cartridge to do the pressure balancing. Let's get rid of some screws here. Take that off. Normally this is riveted together and you can't take it apart and replace anything. You have to order the entire cartridge. Let's see what's inside. Okay. They use this rubber diaphragm. Kohler uses, a couple other companies use it. It kind of floats back and forth in here and presses on these things to reduce the flow of hot water. Reduce the flow of hot water if someone flushes a toilet or something in the bathroom. Keep you from getting scalded. Pretty reliable. Nothing special about it. It's an okay device. And that's about it for American Standard. It's kind of a nice little valve, but I wish I could recommend it more highly, but American Standard's customer service is just not all that great. So that's it for American Standard. Thanks for watching.